Hi, welcome to Subway. How can I help you today? Yes, I would just like a 6-inch sub with salami and lettuce. We just ran out of 6-inch bread. Well, can't you just make a foot long and cut it in half? No. Did I order a foot long? No, I want a 6-inch. Well, then listen. You're a foot long step away from that door, so you can leave and go to Jimmy John's if you want. Fine, I'll just order the foot long, okay? I just want food. Man, these customers are ridiculous. They made me got lettuce on my shirt. Whatever, let's make this. Sir, what are you doing? I'm making your sub like you asked. Oh my god. What cheese on there? That's good enough. Let's bag it. Here you go. Now that'll be $20. $20 for this? Alright, fine, here. Finally, I'm home. Let's get my food. Better got my order right. What is this? It's not what I ordered. I gotta call the manager. What is this? Hello? Yes. I just went to Subway and it was the worst service I've ever had in my entire life. I want a refund. Well, that's not my problem. You should have just went over to Jimmy John's then. But you wanted to eat fresh apparently, even though we have more calories in our food than theirs. So you know what? Get played.